What is your boy back with another video, man? Let's get it, man. So we ready to cast this nice rod out. Feel me? One of my friends was good enough let me use it. It's a nice rod. So we ready to go down here and throw it into this open water. Sheesh.
You can't go over there. You gonna let him come over there?
No, sir. Get him over there.
It's muddy as shit.
Right. Throw it in, bro. Do it farther. We're gonna let it drop. We're gonna let it sit though. Give me a dang on.
Dying. It is hella mud out this joint. Huh? Desire. Get out of there. Why you playing, bro? Doing about 6 on.
The snake's gonna Snake's waked up.
He said the snake